Hello everybody, welcome to the Tools Guy. In the world of metal fabrication, construction, and DIY projects, having the right tools can make all the difference. When it comes to cutting through metal with precision and efficiency, a plasma cutter stands out as an indispensable tool. While there are a variety of options available, finding the best budget plasma cutter is crucial for those who want to strike a balance between affordability and performance. A plasma cutter utilizes a high-velocity jet of ionized gas to melt through metal, making it an ideal choice for tasks that demand clean, accurate cuts on materials like steel, aluminum, and more. However, the market is saturated with options. On number 5, Lincoln Electric 90 IFC. The Lincoln Electric 90 IFC Flux Core Wire Feed Weld Pack Welder is a versatile and user-friendly welding machine designed for small jobs. This portable welder is lightweight and comes with a protective metal case and shoulder strap for easy transportation. In this review, we will explore its features, including its lightweight design, simple controls, and applications for DIY projects, hobbyists, and home repairs. The Lincoln Electric 90 IFC welder operates on 120 volts input power, making it suitable for various settings, from home workshops to construction sites. It can weld materials up to 1/4 of an inch thick using flux core wire feed technology, offering consistent and reliable welds. The welder's lightweight and portable design. On number 4, Lincoln Electric FC90. The Lincoln Electric FC90 Flux Core Wire Feed Welder is a compact and portable 120 volts welder designed for small workshops and home use. It features flux core wire welding technology, making it suitable for beginners. The welder is lightweight and includes a shoulder strap for easy mobility. It offers infinite voltage control, automatic thermal protection, and toolless wire spool loading. With a welding range of 30 to 90 amps, it can handle materials from 18 gauge to 1/4 of an inch steel. The reviewer chose this welder for its portability, 120 volts input, reasonable duty cycle, and ease of use. They found it capable of producing quality welds and suitable for various welding tasks. On number 3, Super Ultra 206C. The Super Ultra 206C is a multi-process combo welder that includes TIG, stick, and plasma cutter capabilities with a 200 amp TIG/stick and 50 amp plasma cutter. It offers dual voltage support for both 110V and 220V. This product is sold by Everlast Power Equipment and is shipped from Dubai. Note that electronic products sold in the US store operate on 110 to 120 volts, so a step-down power converter is required for proper functionality. It's important to determine the device's wattage to select the appropriate power converter. Recommended power converters are available for this purpose. On number 2, Serene Life MIG Welder. The Serene Life MIG Welder Flux Core Welding Machine has received a high BVR rating of 9.3 based on 60 reviews. It boasts excellent build quality, 9.7, reliable customer support, 9.4, ease of use, 9.1, energy efficiency, 9.4, and maneuverability, 9.7. Overall, its performance is outstanding, with an overall rating of 9.6, and it offers great value for money, 9.6. Reasons to consider buying this welder include the inclusion of essential accessories like a welding gun, ground wire clip, cleaning brush, and protective mask. Additionally, it features a full bridge circuit for professional level stability and an adjustable speed wire feed that can be customized up to 6.7 meters per minute. However, a potential drawback is that the welder may not consistently provide adequate heating in certain instances. On number 1, Hypertherm PowerMax 45XP. The Hypertherm PowerMax 45XP machine system with CPC 25 leads is a highly regarded and top-selling plasma cutting machine known for its exceptional performance. It can cut metal up to 5/8 of an inch thick and is remarkably portable at just 31 pounds. It includes a CPC port for easy connection to a cutting table. Key features of this machine: user-friendly and versatile. This cutting system is compact and lightweight, making it easy to transport. It's suitable for both handheld and mechanized use and can interface with CNC systems. It incorporates patented drag cutting technology, making it accessible even for beginners. It supports various torch styles and features Smart Sense technology, which maintains the correct air pressure. Additionally, it offers low amp processes for precision tasks. In conclusion, the Hypertherm PowerMax 45XP machine system with CPC 25 lead stands out as a top choice for the best budget plasma cutter. Its combination of affordability and exceptional cutting capabilities, including the ability to cut up to 5/8 of an inch metal, make it a reliable and versatile option for a wide range of applications. With user-friendly features, high productivity, and rugged reliability, this plasma cutter offers excellent value for those seeking a budget-friendly yet high-performance cutting solution. Whether you're involved in property maintenance, fabrication, or various other industries, the PowerMax 45XP proves that budget-friendly doesn't have to mean sacrificing quality and efficiency. So this was the video, guys. Do check the link in the description and like to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.